Greetings car enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, renting out your car and making money with car sharing platforms. If you are looking for a way to earn extra income from your vehicle or offset the cost of car ownership, car sharing platforms can be a lucrative option. In this video, we will explore the world of car sharing, its benefits, and how you can get started. So let's dive right in. Introduction to car sharing platforms. In this section, we will provide an overview of car sharing platforms and how they have revolutionized the way people access transportation. We will explain how these platforms connect car owners with individuals in need of temporary transportation, creating a win-win situation for both parties. You will discover the different types of car sharing platforms available and how they operate. Benefits of renting out your car. Renting out your car through car sharing platforms offers several advantages. In this section, we will discuss the benefits for car owners, such as earning passive income, maximizing the use of your vehicle, and reducing the overall cost of ownership. We will also touch upon the environmental benefits of car sharing, as it promotes resource efficiency and reduces the number of vehicles on road. Choosing the right car sharing platform. Not all car sharing platforms are the same, and selecting the right one for your needs is crucial. We will guide you through the process of choosing a reputable and reliable car sharing platform. We will discuss factors to consider, such as the platform's user base, insurance coverage, fees and commission structure, customer support, and user reviews. Making an informed decision will ensure a positive experience for both you and your renters. Setting competitive rental rates. Pricing your car competitively is essential to attract renters while maximizing your earnings. In this section, we will provide tips on how to set rental rates that reflect the market value of your car, taking into account factors such as the make and model, year, condition, mileage, and location. We will also discuss strategies to adjust your rates based on demand and seasonality. Ensuring safety and security. Safety and security are paramount when renting out your car. We will cover the measures you should take to protect yourself and your vehicle. This includes conducting thorough background checks on potential renters, verifying their driving records, and implementing security measures like GPS tracking and remote immobilization system. We will also discuss the importance of maintaining adequate insurance coverage. Preparing your car for renters. Getting your car ready for renters is essential to provide a positive experience. We will share tips on how to clean and maintain your vehicle, ensuring it's in top condition for each rental. We will also discuss the importance of providing clear instructions and guidelines to renters, including fuel expectations, mileage limitations, and any specific rules or restrictions. Communication and customer service. Effective communication and excellent customer service are key to a successful car sharing experience. We will provide insights on how to communicate promptly and professionally with potential renters, address their inquiries, and provide clear instructions for pickup and drop-off. We will also discuss the importance of maintaining open lines of communication throughout the rental period. Dealing with challenges and mitigating risk. Renting out your car comes with its fair share of challenges and risks. In this section, we will discuss common issues that may arise, such as accidents, damages, and disputes. We will provide guidance on how to handle these situations professionally and mitigate risks through comprehensive insurance coverage and clear rental agreements. Congratulations, you now have a solid understanding of renting out your car and making money with car sharing platforms. By leveraging the sharing economy, you can turn your vehicle into a valuable asset and generate passive income. Remember to research and choose a reputable car sharing platform. Set competitive rental rates, prioritize safety and security, and provide excellent customer service. With careful planning and attention to detail, you can embark on a successful journey as a car sharing entrepreneur. Before we end this video, we would like to ask you to give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in inventing out their cars. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, earning money and making the most out of your assets. Thank you for watching and happy car sharing.